Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Uncharted Legacy of Thieves game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your graphic settings in order to get the best performance. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uncharted 4 game on your PC, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can choose any one of the two games. Once you do so, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on Options, and now you can change various different options within the game. In order to optimize your graphic, first of all, click on Display, and then choose your display mode as well as the correct resolution for your monitor. Underneath this, you can also change the rendered resolution. Now it is recommended that you use a lower rendered resolution and then use FSR or DLSS in order to scale it up. If you have more resources, then you may use the full rendered resolution as well. Once you have chosen your desired settings, you can press the F button to apply your changes and then go into Advanced Graphics. Now, within the Advanced Graphics option, you will see the preset menu at the very beginning. You can use these presets in order to choose a preset that is most suitable for your device. You can check how much total VRAM that you have within the total section underneath, and you can check how much of your VRAM is being used by checking the bar underneath. Now, when you choose the Ultra preset, if the vertical bar at the right side has not been reached, then you can enjoy your game on the Ultra preset as well. You can also manually set the quality for the textures, the model quality, as well as anisotropic filter, shadows, reflections, and ambient occlusion. If the Ultra preset doesn't give you a very good performance, or if you notice any lags, then you can try reducing them by one step and choose the High option. With this, your device will now have more resources left to spare, which will allow the game to run much more smoothly, resulting in a great performance. Just try each of these presets and check by reducing, and when you are done, you can press the Apply Changes or the F button to save the changes that you have made. After this, your settings will have been saved, and now you can start enjoying your game with your chosen graphic settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Uncharted 4 Legacy of Thieves game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.